Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place so changes stick. First, update Snapchat to the latest release and back up any critical snaps. This prevents data loss if you need to reinstall. Once done, enable your device-level dark mode from Settings display so the system prefers dark UI. Make sure the phone has at least 20% battery and is connected to Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions during installs and permission prompts. Now you'll apply the dark theme inside the app and, if necessary, force it. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, then Settings and search for Appearance or App Theme. Select Dark if present. If Snapchat lacks that toggle, use Android developer options to enable Force Dark or rely on iOS system appearance override. After changing settings, clear Snapchat's cache and force stop the app. Then reopen it so UI elements re-render in dark. Finish by cementing the change and verifying everything looks right. Restart your device so system and app processes reload with the dark theme. Inspect chats, camera, and menus for contrast issues. If you see broken colors or mixed themes, reinstall Snapchat and restore your backup. This often fixes corrupted resources. If problems continue, make sure your OS is up to date, revoke and regrant permissions, and test the same account on another device to isolate whether the issue is device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.